Hi, all, and thanks for watching. Got a brand new product here at Wicked Warnings. It's called the Lin 8 LED. Got a nice classic product, been around for a long time. It's called a Lin 6 LED. What's the difference anyways? I wanted to show you guys, okay? A couple key differences between the Lin 6 and the Lin 8. First thing you're going to notice is the number, 6 versus 8. That's referring to the LED count. You can see here we have 1, 2, 3 amber LEDs and 1, 2, 3 white. You can see over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 white LEDs and 1, 2, 3, 4 amber. Yes, that's right. We have pumped up the power. We have increased the output. All the good stuff. The Lin 8 now has 2 more LEDs. The other difference you're going to notice right away is the spread of the LED. The Lin 6 is a classic split design. 3 LEDs on one color on one side, 3 LEDs on the other side of an opposing color. That is how the 2-color Lin 6s are always made. Half and half. The flash pattern alternates left to right, back and forth. Okay. On this one, the LEDs are spread out, which actually gives the appearance of this entire light being white or the entire light being orange. It's not a side-by-side flash. The entire light changes from white to amber, white to amber. It's a much better display as far as brightness than the Lin 6 with the extra LEDs as well. The other major difference is in the flood mode. In a Lin 6 light, when you flood with the white wire, you will flood the entire light. Very useful in a white light. In an amber white light, also very useful, except you flood not only the amber, but also the white. On the Lin 8, we have isolated the flood circuit now. When you flood, you only flood the white. The amber, or whatever other opposing color, will not flood. Only the white. So we've isolated that circuit on there as well. They're both wire the same, 5-wire configuration, same as our TIR3, our LED HAW Duo. Very easy to wire, power, ground, pattern, sync, and flood. So that is the main difference between the Lin 6 and the Lin 8. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings.